Chairman.
BOT chairman.
Another one.
Yes.
Augustine.
All the way from Lagos State, the qualified Joe. Can you please a round of applause and welcome the BOT chairman, Saka.
So makweji tutu go tutu. So let's give Akanaka this opportunity to be so that to make it continue. And we thought.
Yes, coming forward now is the Akataka one of ATG. The Akataka one of Akataka, Ejuguru one.
Giddy,